What is going on, everybody? Let me welcome you back to Aaron Koshrai YouTube channel. I just wanted to touch base on STARLINK, on where you can get them and how you should be setting them up. As you already know through my other vlog, that STARLINK announced a $50 residential per month that you can benefit from. So number one, how you can get your STARLINK. You can get your STARLINK through this link right over here. That will lead you to Amazon, to my Amazon link, where you can purchase your STARLINK and ship it down to your relatives here or to your family member here on the island. You can get yours free delivery if you're in the continental United States, or if you're in Hawaii, you can just pick yours up, place your order online, and then you can just walk right into Home Depot or Best Buy and you can pick yours up there and ship it down to your family members or to your friends here on the island. That's how you can get your STARLINK, and I hope this information can help you. Once you get your STARLINK here on the island, then you can just configure it. It's easy, it's just plug and play, and if you have any issue with it, ring me up, I might be able to help you out. If you find value in my videos, a thumbs up will help a lot.